Maravanthe Beach is a hidden gem on Karnataka's coastline, offering a tranquil escape. It is located about 115 kilometers from industrial hub Mangalore and 55 kilometers from Udupi. This beach contains mesmerizing stretch of golden sands where the road runs parallel to the Arabian Sea, creating a unique and picturesque setting. This beach is uniquely positioned in coastal Karnataka with Arabian Sea on one side and Souparnika River on the other. This unique combination of sea and river on each side of a highway is hard to find elsewhere and is said to be the only one in India. The beach is a thriving ecosystem teeming with diverse marine life including dolphins, jellyfish, and crabs.